Hi, my name is Scott Kelly. I just go by Scott. My pronouns are he, him, they, them. I was originally born in San Diego, but I moved up to Oregon when I was really young. So been living in the Portland area for 30 plus years or so and enjoyed it. Moved to Seattle once and came back and been here ever since and definitely going to be home. Um, My work experience, currently I work as a direct care staff in a male adolescent behavioral group home for sexual offenders. It's a wonderful job. It's not for everybody. The program has an overall philosophy they use of the PPC, positive peer culture, which includes it's very focused on their behavior and intensive treatment for the individual, the client, the family, and for the victim. So it's only one of a handful of programs in Oregon that actually gear towards juvenile sex offenders. Um, the really good thing I like about it is after they complete the program, um, they basically their offenses get sealed and they don't have to register to be a sexual offender after age 18. And it pretty much gives them a new start in life. I wouldn't say it totally gets rid of the stigma of being a sexual offender, but with it being sealed, it's kind of like nobody knows, and it's just a good positive thing for them. They need to start have a new life, basically. I've been there for 2 plus years. I started as just a relief staff just to get some experience. I went full time probably about 9 months ago or so. Like I said, I really enjoy it. It can be intense. It's all behavior, based around behavior. What I do is I just get them through their day and days, their schedules, keep them on track, keep their behavior in check. Do a lot of groups, small groups, with the team that I work with. I do some one-on-one and also sit in and participate in a couple of their major group therapies and all that. As a DCS, direct care staff, I don't participate in like in the family counseling or the real clinical per se therapy, but that is my goal actually is to get to that point. I also have a 19-year-old stepson who's autistic. I worked with him for 10 years before, well, I started working with him before he was officially diagnosed as ASD. Um, and I loved that for some reason. That was a real challenge. A lot of people told me I had a gift for working with youth like that, I guess. Yeah, I taught him a lot and everything, so he's a big inspiration. Um, Personally, I guess that was kind of personal, but just 6 years ago, I was in rehab and I was given the opportunity to earn my GED for free, which I jumped on that right away. I realized, I guess, as now that I'm older, that I loved school. I enrolled in college right away, wanted to be a psychologist. Realized I'd never get past the two stats class that are required and um, switched focus to social work. And yeah, I kind of just took down that path. I was enrolled in Portland State's BSW program. I had a major issue with my field instructor. So with withdrawals, changed my major to social science, which I just earned 2 months ago, basically. Got a minor in sociology. Um, so, yeah, I'm very shy and introverted. I'm sure you can tell in my video. Once I get to know people, I do open up, and I am a very laid back, kind of just go with the flow type of guy. Some people think I'm probably not serious enough, even though I am. It's just kind of the way I portray myself is nothing's real big, but it will get resolved. Um, Besides work and going to school, I'm a musician. I play bass. That's pretty much my next passion, besides the two of those. Um, I'm really excited about the program, but also terrified. I picked Widner solely based on the curriculum being trauma based. I think everybody probably agrees if you're going to work with at-risk youth, um, you do need to understand trauma, the effects of it, where it comes from, the layers that it's built. I myself have been infected by trauma from a very early age. I was impacted from my father. Then that carried over to when I was raising my stepson because he tends to be violent. So I've dealt with a lot of trauma. Um, all the boys I work with um, are very traumatized in very different aspects. Um, but I want to continue doing this, which I do. My overall goal is to be a clinician, a therapist, either in the realm of the juvenile sex offenders um, or autistic individuals, or both, depending on how it goes. Never worked with autistic children or youth in a professional setting like I do with the sexual offenders. But some of them are display behaviors, that aren't quite the norm. So, um, yeah, um, I don't know. It's been going on longer than I thought. So, basically, I'm really excited, really scared, wetness, and I guess I will talk to everyone later, and good luck.